Welcome to Ruijie Reyee EG300 series router. EG300 series is newly launched high-performance router by Ruijie. It includes 3 models, 5-port PoE, 10-port PoE, and 10-port non-PoE router. The first highlight is high performance. Supports up to 300 concurrent users. Suitable to medium offices. Max 1.5 Gbps performance is supported, provides ultra-high internet speed to office. Max 300 VPN users, and 64 active tunnels. Provide powerful VPN for branches and remote workers. The second highlight is they are much skilled in office. All models support Max 4 WAN ports with load balancing. Combines multiple bandwidth to office. Different users enjoy different speed. When network jam, can also guarantee boss priority to internet. Different applications enjoy different speed also. When network jam, guarantee key application priority. Also easy to block unwelcome app and website by mobile. Sometimes the internet speed is occupied too much. Within Reyee router, easy to find out who is eating the internet speed. Everything in a glance. Reyee EG300 series router. Abundant office features, high performance, and cost saving.